In this hand calculation video, we're going to be calculating z-scores and finding the probability under different areas of the normal distribution. So for this problem, our population of interest is the birth weights of babies born in the United States. And we see that they are normally distributed with a mean of 118 ounces and a standard deviation of 28 ounces. So for the first question, it's asking what proportion of babies weigh less than 100 ounces. So if our mean right here is at 118, 100 ounces falls somewhere over here, and we want to find the probability to the left of 100 ounces, right? Babies less than 100 ounces. So the first thing we're going to need to do is find the z-score associated with 100 ounces. So our formula for z is a value minus the mean of the distribution divided by the standard deviation of the distribution. So we're just going to plug in 100 for x minus 118 divided by 28. And we get a z of negative 0.64. And we're going to take this z, look it up on the normal distribution probability table, and we see that the probability of having a z less than negative 0.64 is equal to 0.26. So this tells us that about 26% of the population is less than 100 ounces. Now the second question is actually asking us to do the opposite calculation. It's saying find the birth weight that corresponds to the 90th percentile, meaning we have a probability and we want to find the corresponding birth weight. So the 90th percentile of the distribution is the point at which 90%, or 0.9, is less than that value. So what we're going to want to do is go to our normal distribution table, find 0.9 in the body of the table, and find the z-score that corresponds to that. So the probability of finding a z less than some number is 0.9, and we see from the table that that z is 1.28. So now that we have a z, we can plug it into our z formula and just solve for x. So 1.28 equals x minus 118 divided by 28. We can multiply both sides by 28 first, and then finally we'll solve for x, and we get 153.84 ounces.